Okay, another soundscape recording for Sandaranju. This is a really nice little area of Central Park. You probably can't see much on the video, but this is it's like a little stream running down over some rocks, and there's a few little log seats here, just to sit down and relax on. You could call it a restorative place. Just going to do a soundscape recording because I think it's a really interesting soundscape. You're in the middle of the city, massive city, and all you can hear is the crickets and the flowing water. You can hear a little bit of the music from the trance party just over the path. But I'll get the phone up. Probably can't see very much, but I'm just going to take a recording here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's recorded. I'm going to upload that when I get back to the soundscape map at sandaranju.com.